Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzel in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with a 14 by 14 inch canvas, some Prizm Pour paints. I was hoping that was going to be open, but since it's not, I'm going to use it anyway. It's a Prizm Pour Abalone. I'd like to have a chance to have some negative space. Not that I think it's actually not going to get covered up. It might. And it also needs the tip cleaned out, so I better place that someplace I can remember to do that shortly. I have some Bling It Boreal. This is based on something I did recently. I think it was Magnificent Magenta. And I want to use more purples this time. And I'm also going to use a little more Mayan gold. And then I'm going to swipe. I might spin first. But I'm looking forward to using some of the hot orchid, excuse me, wild orchid. I'm going to put the Mayan Gold is a Prizm Pour. The orange peel with shimmering, with golden sparkle in it is a Primary Element. I'm kind of just winging it, playing with colors I like. Now let's get down to business. I've got Aubergine, which is a Primary Element, which decided to plug up on me while I was waiting. I think the top's just going to get taken right off of that. I've got a little Cupids Crush, Primary Element. Here's my wild orchid. I know I have a gorgeous indigo violet. These are not great bottles. They're a little too stiff, but I suspect after I use them for a while, they'll probably loosen up some. I'm so interested in having some turquoise in here. I don't know why I'm so compelled. I'm going to throw the Plum Blossom in before I do that, though. I've already taken away the vast majority of my Abalone. I've got Marooned. Oh, I love this color. And I am going to indulge. I'm going to use some Agave Blue. Which is definitely time to make some more of. And I have some Mysterious, or some, I think, maybe the Aqua, Sparkling Aqua Prizm Pour. I might lose out my purple if I don't. You know what? I've got another purple. I've got many more purples, including, what is this? It's not labeled. Yes, it is. Boysenberry Primary Element. I think this will make it sing. Yeah, that's the one right there. Put some of these away. Get ready. Do I want anything else in there? I might want something else. What have I got? You know what I haven't used in quite a while is the African Violet. And I think that would be fantastic in there, but I got to shake it for a moment. Yeah. The African Violet is monumentally beautiful. I don't think I can go wrong. I've got some Twilight Orchid, but I think I've gone far enough with the colors I've used. So I'm going to drop a little bit of Tricorn Black from Sherwin Williams around the edge if I can get the top open. And I might put a little bit of the white also Sherwin Williams eggshell. Now, fortunately, I have cleaned my spatula, and I'm going to use Amsterdam White, Amsterdam Black, both with Aussie Floetrol. For some reason, I'm having a nervous day, and if my iridescent blue violet from P.E.s is open, or if I can find a way to open it. You know what? I've got some leftover paint here. I'm really interested in using it up. Hopefully I'm not making a mistake. I'm going to stop that right now. I want as much of that as I can get. We shall see, we shall see. That's going in the bucket, which needs to be emptied now because it's more paint than water, I think. It's eaten my sponge. I am not in love with that. But it doesn't mean anything because I can pour some of it off. Take that out of the way. I can also start again with another palette knife. And I might be interested in doing that. With some more white. This time I'll use my Phthalo turquoise from Atelier. You never know what something's going to become. I've got some great cells where I started. Throw that in a bucket too. I wonder if I should try a scoop and drag. I kind of want some gold cell activator someplace. Although I see these colors that are unaffected and I like them right here. I wonder if breaking the surface tension in a couple places would help. I do like blowing spirals with a straw. This might be pretty cool. I might be wrong about... Whoa, big clump of paint stuck to my palette knife. Not cool. That's P.E.s Iridescent Gold Cell Activator. Which is actually making some cells. Makes me want to do it again. Like right in there, but with a different palette knife. And I have one. It's gonna be cool. I can tell it's improving already. That's the thing about Australian Floetrol. No matter how fugly something starts as, you always have a shot at rescuing it. Now, if I'm going to scoop and drag, this is really cool. Wow. I will scrape off every bit of extra paint. This is scoop and drag, which may or may not be necessary in the places I'm doing it, but I'm doing it anyway. I like getting free with the design. That is a bubble though. Okay, now it's time to spin out I like to go in both directions because I imagine that it evens the paint flow out. I know I have to spin more than I want to. I liked what I had because I need the layer of paint to be less heavy so it's less likely to crack. That's pretty magnificent. Pretty sure as long as I can see little spots along the edges, I'm going to have to... Hey, there's only one spot. That's cool. Where'd it go? It disappeared like right then. Kind of want to tip it a little bit that way. And I might spin it one more time. Now I've got painty fingers. These cells are awesome. I love those cells. I really don't want to spin again. I'm going to spin gently. Okay, gently for me. I think that has to be it. I don't want to take a chance. I hope I didn't go too far. I like it this way for me, so I'm going to show you that way for you. And call it a night. And go help with dinner. So, let me grab my phone. See if I want to do anything weird like normal, like spiral something out. Maybe not this time. That one looks like a bird. No, I'm pretty happy with that. And there's some gorgeous, gorgeous stuff in there. And that Australian Floetrol is just going to keep right on expanding those cells. So that's pretty awesome, and getting more awesome by the moment. Thank you for joining me. I post 7 days a week at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do sell my artwork. If you want to get in touch with me, you should use my email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out. If you're looking for the Colour Arte coupon code for 20% off, it's underneath the video. I hope my battery doesn't fail. It's telling me it's going to die. Thank you for the PayPal donations. I really appreciate them. And thank you to everyone who's joined as a member and is enjoying the videos on the members only list. Thank you for watching longer. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for your kind words and your comments to keep my morale boosted and help my channel. My Amazon link is a great place to shop. My 2 books are on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. This is incredibly cool. I hope you can see what I can see. Half of what I can see is amazing. The textures, the levels, it's like the most extremely beautiful agate I've ever seen. I will be looking for bubbles and popping them. And every time I turn it, I like a new side better than the last one. So I'm hoping I'm not making you seasick. But the colors turned out to be great. Thank you for joining me. I'm sure I forgot something. Oh, my link tree. Underneath my link tree, you're going to find the Colour Arte website and coupon code. But you're on the link tree, you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Art, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, and Society 6 and Legalerist. I've just added a bunch of new gorgeous clothes to Legalerist, and you can find prices and catalog of Legalerist clothes on my Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more website. Questions are invited. My community board should show you tomorrow's video. If you're looking to shop or the community board, go to my channel. If you have questions for me, I have 28 lists, playlists, and they're organized by topic and genre and by the 100, and I can hook you up very easily. I have them all saved and instantly available to me. If it's hard for you to find them, no problem. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. Like I said, if you have questions, feel free to ask me. I love you guys. This is insane. I love Australian Floetrol. There's just no way around it. That's just absolutely magnificent. Just like my latest magenta magnificence. All right, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Whatever I forgot to tell you, you'll see in another video. I've got bubbles to patch. Pop. Never mind. All right, I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out. See you anon.